In this video, we are going to discuss about pair cylinders. Pair cylinders are cylinders that will make similar motion. They will reach TDC and BDC at the same time. For example, on this engine, cylinder number 4 and cylinder number 1. As you can see, the pistons are pair cylinders. They are having similar motion. Both are traveling up at the same time and traveling down simultaneously. Those are called pair cylinders. Cylinder number 2 and cylinder number 3 are also pair cylinders. So by pair cylinder, we mean cylinders that undergo same kind of motion. They reach BDC at the same time. They reach TDC at the same time. So on this 4-cylinder engine, cylinder number 1 and cylinder number 4, they are pair cylinders. Cylinder number 2 and cylinder number 3 are pair cylinders. Why do we need pairing? Pairing is basically to dynamically balance the crankshaft. As you can see, when this crankshaft is rotating, 2 pistons are moving up, 2 pistons are moving down. So relatively similar weight is moving in opposite direction. That will dynamically balance the crankshaft. So this is all about pair cylinders.